Hey everyone, welcome back to Katona's Tutoring. Today we're going to do another video, and by the title and the thumbnail, you can tell that we're going to be dividing fractions. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to divide fractions. Once again, I'm Mr. Katona, and this is Katona's Tutoring. Okay. So in our previous videos, we already talked about adding and subtracting fractions and multiplying fractions. So you found out, or you learned again, reviewed, that we do not need common denominators to multiply fractions. The same is going to be true for dividing fractions. So if I have 2 over 3, and I'm dividing this fraction by 3 over 5, what I'm going to do is a simple method. It's going to be keep, change, flip, otherwise called KCF. What this allows us to do is, instead of dividing two fractions, we're going to multiply the reciprocal. What does that mean? I'll show you. You're going to follow these letters. So as you can see, 2/3 we're told to keep. So we're going to keep 2/3. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication. Then we're going to flip 3/5. So 5 is on the top and 3 is on the bottom, which is the reciprocal. We are essentially multiplying by the reciprocal. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. And then we just do what we did in the previous video and multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9. We have 10 over 9. Now for this video, for this purpose, because we want to keep these short, we're not going to completely simplify this answer. The problem here, as most of you can tell, our numerator is bigger than our denominator, and this can't be the case. When things like this happen, we have to convert them into a mixed number. But we're going to show you how to do that in a separate video, just to keep videos short, sweet, and to the point. So if we follow what we just did, all you have to do is keep your initial fraction, keep it the same, change the division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction or multiply by the reciprocal. KCF, keep, change, flip. So let's go to another example. If I have 2 over 5th and I divide by, let's say, 9 over 11. What I'm going to do, again, is keep, change, flip. So this is going to give me 2 over 5 times 11 over 9. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. I'm so used to writing the little circle for multiplication, but we'll just write the X there. So 2 over 5 times 11 over 9, and that'll give us our answer. So 2 times 11 is 22. 5 times 9, 45. In this case, we don't have to do much except leave it the way it is. Because if we look, 9 and 5 go into 45, and only even numbers will go into 22. So this is fully simplified, and our numerator is less than our denominator, which is correct. So we don't have to do anything here. This is our final answer. So you lucked out there. Let's do one more example just so we understand what we're doing. So if I take, let's do a different number. If I do 6 over 9, and I'm going to divide by 3 over 4, what I'm essentially going to do is just keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So now I'm going to have 6 over 9 times 4 over 3, and then I just multiply. 6 times 4, 24. 9 times 3, 27. Now, I can simplify here because they both are divisible by 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 24 over 27. I'm going to divide by 3 over 3, which will give me 8 over 9. And that is fully simplified, and I am correct. So as you can tell, there's not a lot of steps involved. You're just going to change your division problem into a multiplication problem and solve. So a lot of times you're going to hear people say multiply the reciprocal. What they mean is keep, change, flip. So instead of dividing, we can just multiply and flip our second fraction, and it's the same thing as dividing. Never, ever, ever make yourself divide fractions when all you have to do is multiply the reciprocal. Okay, like I promised, this video was going to be short, sweet, and to the point. What you're going to do is, obviously, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you want to see a different video, leave a comment telling us what video you'd like to see so we can help you. Thirdly, if you could please share our videos with anyone you know. We're trying to help as many students around the world as we can, starting in the US. And lastly, if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it, especially if you're new. Share, subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications. Lastly, if you would like tutoring and you live in the state of New Jersey, we can do in-person tutoring. We can also do online tutoring if you would like online or you don't live in New Jersey. Our prices are fair. We're here to help. But with that, we're going to be done. Bye, guys.